Press-ups are a brilliant movement to build strength through your upper body. To begin, let's start in a prone position, face down. Align the middle of your hands through the middle of your chest. Keep your elbows tucked into your rib cage with your elbow crease facing the wall in front of you. We want to hold this position throughout all our press-up variations. Let's start with a 3/4 press-up. We want to keep a straight line through our knee, hip and shoulder. Tilt the pelvis towards your rib cage, squeeze your glutes, pull your belly button into your spine and squeeze your shoulder blades together. We'll move on to our eccentric only push-up. Bring yourself onto your toes into a full bridge position. Be as efficient as you can with this as not to waste energy. Controlling your descent to the floor, this variation will expose the muscle to a greater load. Let's come into the bridge of our full press up. Find an elevated surface. The higher the surface, the easier. The lower the surface, the harder. Combining all aspects of the previous movements. Finally, the full press up. Once you've put all three of the previous moves together, this is the final step. Technique is important. Remember, hands in line with chest, elbows tucked into rib cage, pull your belly button into your spine, squeeze your glutes.